The hummingbird of Bukidnon is the Mount Culago at Maybach. Minor hike lang to. Pwede ang beginners. Kaya i-day hike. Kung hindi kayo sanay sa init, magdala kayong payong. At maraming tubig. So, we're descending down to the camp para kumain at magpahinga, matulog. Actually, we booked here an overnight stay, pero it took me 6 hours of bus travel from here to Davao City. So, to catch up the flight for tomorrow ng early at dawn going to Manila, mas safe siguro na bumiyahe na mamayang gabi, since I'll be spending my last day on Samal Island. Para dagat, chill na lang, no? So, this is my second hike at Mindanao. Sulitin na natin. Bihira lang makapunta dito. Wala na yung peak. So we're going down and bye. See you at Samal Island. So yan, may view deck pala dito. Let's see. What's the view? Oh, ano to? Parang may ritual or something dito, no? Yan, may bench made of bamboos. Oh, makikita nyo yung to, may river. Yan. Then, andun yung Roti Peaks. This is the Paminhawa Ridge, no? Accessible talaga siya dito. That's the Mount Culago. We're here at the campsite of Mount Culago. We're taking a rest and punta ng communal ranch later pag lamig-lamig na. I have a doggy right here.